Imagine you could use solar power at your home, but you didn't have to install anything.
At Walton EMC, we can make that happen. Welcome to Walton EMC Cooperative Solar.
We built 3 of these local solar facilities as part of our investment in renewable energy, and it gives our customer owners an efficient, affordable way to participate in solar power production. Let's take a look at how it works.
When you sign up for Walton EMC Cooperative Solar, you're basically renting each block of solar power production for $25 a month. The kilowatt hours produced by your solar blocks will offset the same number of hours on your bill. It's that easy.
Just like all solar power, the energy output varies due to the length of the day at different times of the year, how cloudy it is, and other factors. But a block of panels typically produces between 140 and 250 kilowatt hours a month.
Cooperative Solar offers a lot of benefits for our customer owners.
There's no large investment, no contract, and no long-term commitment.
And because there's no rooftop installation, every home is suitable. If you're on the grid, you can participate in Cooperative Solar.
We make it easy because Walton EMC does all the work. We maintain the panels and all the equipment. That means you don't have to worry about any unexpected costs.
Also, when you participate in Cooperative Solar, you're helping us expand our commitment to clean, renewable power in the future.
And here's the last and most important benefit. Walton EMC is a name you already know you can trust. You can count on Walton EMC to stand behind our promises and deliver reliable power.
Thanks for watching. You can find out more at waltonemc.com.